Unlock hyperlocal customer loyalty by crafting authentic, AI-powered user-generated content ads that speak directly to your community. Traditional advertising can feel distant, but with AI, you can create ads that mirror genuine customer experiences, making your local business instantly relatable and trustworthy. This is where AI shines, transforming everyday customer moments into powerful, persuasive advertisements. Let's break down how your local business can leverage this. Step 1. Define your goal. Are you promoting a new menu item, a seasonal sale, or building brand awareness? Pinpointing this helps the AI understand what kind of user content it's creating. Step 2. Feed the AI. Upload high-quality photos or videos of your products and services, and provide key selling points. Think about your ideal customer. What language resonates with them? Step 3. AI generation. Select AI models or prompts designed for user-generated content. You'll get variations of ad copy, scripts, and even visual styles that mimic real customer posts. Often with compelling calls to action. Step 4. Personalize and deploy. Review the AI's output. Tweak the messaging for authentic regional slang or local references, then target these ads specifically to users within your geographic area. The result? Cost-effective ads with hyper-targeted reach, feeling like genuine recommendations from neighbors, not just advertisements. This personal touch builds deeper community connection and drives real local engagement. Start creating your own AI-powered UGC ads today and watch your local business flourish within the heart of your community.